Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to do a video review on this ice maker. And this ice maker from R.W Flame. Guys, whenever I'm doing my review, I always put the product to test before I can review it. Guys, it's summer and I really love to spend time outside with my family. This will save me time and money. Mix the ice within minutes. Inside the box has the manual instruction. I don't know why I'm obsessed with that, but I'm always looking for manual instruction, guys.
What you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, product review. If you are not new and you are not subscribed, please consider to do so right now. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you and keep on watching. They have a huge sale going on right now. The original price was $120. Right now it's $70. Please don't sleep on it. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. As you can see the inside. This is a scoop. You can easily remove the ice. Now I'm removing the tapes. This ice maker will make things super easy for me. Summer and holiday coming very soon, and you know, 4th of July we love to eat outside, and this one will save. And if you have RV, you can use it in your RV. It's super nice to have one. That's the inside. Water has a max level to let you know when to stop, and it will let you know too when it needs water or it's full. The lights will turn on. As you can see, that's add water, ice fill, and power on and off. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo. Vidéo ça m'a fait, c'est une publicité pour un portable ice maker ça. C'est une machine portable qui a fait glace dans 2-3 minutes. C'est une bonne petite machine. Si vous avez aimé une comme ça, m'a quitte l'information dans la boîte de description en bas vidéo. Merci un peu. Si ce n'est pas pour la première fois ou là, moi je vous remercie un peu pour le support et continuez à regarder les vidéos. As you can see, guys, I just pressed the start button and the machine start working right away. So mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. La vidéo d'aujourd'hui, c'est une publicité pour cette portable machine à glaçons. Portable Ice Maker. Comme vous savez mes amours, c'est l'été. Il fait vraiment chaud. C'est vraiment bon pour avoir une pour des cookouts, les fêtes. Je ne sais pas quoi. Tout ce que vous voulez. Il y a un grand rabais pour cette semaine, mes amours. Si vous êtes intéressés, les informations seront dans la boîte de description. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup pour votre support. Je vous aime. As you can see, guys, when the basket is full, the machine will let me know. You see the light is red. The shape and the size of the ice is different from the regular basic ice cube. To be honest, I like it. It's different and fancy. Here, a closer look. Yup. Let me know in the description box down below what do you think, guys. No more little cube trays that take forever or expensive ice bag from the store. Minutes I can have a tons of ice. And I'm going to make lemonade right now. Summer will be a lot easier on me. Okay guys, make sure to check the description box down below and use my link for more savings. I'm going to make some lemonade, guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!